Right, there we go. There's a nice one. Yeah. Hello there. Pardon me. Hi, Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. As you can see, our cover crop of winter wheat is just doing wonderfully here in the backyard. In the areas that we're not going to be tilling come spring, we've mixed in daikon radish to grow down, break up the soil compaction, and add some additional organic matter. Now, despite winter conditions deepening and the cold getting more intense, we still have plenty of greenery, including these strawberry plants, that are probably going to stay green all the way up until spring, amazingly enough. And plants like our yarrow, they're going to continue to grow and sometimes even bloom, even in the middle of winter. Look at that. Yep. There aren't any insects to come out and enjoy it, but we do have yarrow blooming right here in the middle of winter. But the most important thing, yep, that's right. It's finally fall in Green Country. After several months of wait, our redbud trees have gone dormant. The maples are finally losing their leaves. And that means we can finally begin selling trees to the general public as bare root trees. That's right. Beginning now, you may order redbuds and maple trees from greencountryagroforestry.com while they last, and of course while the website remains up, because after January we're shutting down greencountryagroforestry.com and we'll probably switch to an Etsy store because lower overhead, lower costs. We're not making a lot of money here. We're just trying to get you some trees at a price you can afford. So come on over, give us a visit. Let's see if we can help you find something for the holidays this year. Now, our daylilies are looking at about like this at the moment. They are still alive, but they're not very active at the moment. So we're going to put those on pause and resume shipping come spring, just like we will with some of our other more tender perennials. But you can still order them right now. That's correct. You can order tender perennials for shipping in March 2026 from greencountryagroforestry.com. I would highly recommend you get down there and place your orders while they last, because once they're gone, they are gone. Now, if you don't mind, I think I've got a house guest I need to take care of. So hopefully you found today's video informative or entertaining. Maybe a little bit of both, and if you did, well, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there.